What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to connect your WooCommerce or your WordPress store to the Mailchimp. For that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I'll be attaching the link to the Mailchimp in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. So what you have to do is log in with your official account. Once you have logged in with your official account, there are multiple ways to do it. For example, if you go to the audience and if you haven't uploaded a contact list, when you go to the add contact list, then there will be an option to connect your commerce Wix Shopify store, blah blah blah. From here, just go ahead and click, for example, WooCommerce. It's WooCommerce, WordPress, it's the same thing, so the same method. It comes under one tab. So here you guys can see that it comes with WooCommerce thing. Download Mailchimp for the WooCommerce and click on downloadation and download begin. So once it's been downloaded, all you have to do is to install the plugin. And once the plugin has been installed, just sign in with your account and then you will be able to connect your Mailchimp account with it, the WooCommerce. The other way around is that integrations. Here, just search the store, for example, the WooCommerce WordPress, just go ahead and click on that and then you will be able to connect it over here. So these are the two different methods to do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.